In this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account professional. Now, you can switch your Instagram personal account to a professional account when editing your profile. And you just need to come down here and tap switch to professional account. And before you switch your account, you can read what professional accounts offer. You can also go to settings, then account, and go on to switch to a professional account or add a new professional account. The next thing is to select categories that describe your professional account. Then choose between creator and business accounts. And from there, you can read this info about saved settings and decide whether you want to add your account to the account center. And after that, you need to set up your professional account where you can follow some accounts, share a post to introduce yourself, explore tools and insights, and select your goals, and your professional account will be ready. And on your profile, you can go to professional dashboard and analyze your account insights and explore professional tools like ads, branded content, partnership ads, and safety replies. You can also explore tips and other resources to help grow your professional account and your business. And to end off your post, you can analyze its insights and even boost it through ads. And if you go to settings and privacy, then for professionals, you can make a lot of settings on creator tools and controls. And still under this section, you can also switch your professional account back to a personal account. And as you can see, when you switch your account back, the professional insights will be turned off and your purchased ads removed permanently. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.